Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I did on my nails. These are the two new items that I used. This is a gel polish called Twinkle Star from Miss You Beauty. I will put a link to that in the description box below. It's like a bluey glittery colour, it's amazing. And this amazing Galaxy Chrome powder, which actually I've been after for a really long time. It is to die for. I absolutely love it. So again, the links to that will be in the description box below. So the base colour that I used here is Lavender Garden 02 from Miss You Beauty. I have already done my acrylic nails. I've done an infill on them. I didn't show you that. I didn't bother to film it because, let's face it, you've seen me do that a million times. So I'm just applying the first coat of this gel polish. I didn't apply a base coat because I tend not to really on acrylic nails because I don't really think I need to, so I never really bother. So I just apply this on my nails and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going in with my second coat of this colour. So the light doesn't really do this justice, it doesn't really do this colour justice. I really do need to sort this out. I need better lighting in my room. Thankfully though, the pictures on my phone tend to show it up a lot better, so I will be sure to put pictures on Instagram at some point after this video has been uploaded. So I just cure this second coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So on my middle finger I'm going to be using Twinkle Star 04. So I do actually apply 2 coats of this, but I forgot to film me applying the second coat, so I do apologise for that. But I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I go in with my second coat. So to apply nail art on my forefinger, I have a black gel polish, which is a non-wipe black gel polish. You don't need a top coat or anything like that. So with a very fine detail brush, I just apply this little design to my fingernail. Unfortunately, I forgot to apply my matte top coat because I wanted the rest of the nail to be matte, so I do correct that in a moment, but I just actually cure that black there in my LED lamp. So here is my matte top coat going on my forefinger. I also do put it on my ring finger as well, and I cure those in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just going over that black again with my black gel polish here, just so that I can apply the Galaxy Chrome glitter to that design there, because the black actually really made it stand out. It looked fabulous. So I just go over the black again and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And with my Galaxy Chrome powder and my applicator, I just apply that to the black gel polish on my nail, and I absolutely love the effects of it. I think it is absolutely fabulous. I think this is amazing stuff. I love it to bits. And so with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and a very fine detail brush, I'm just applying this to the top of my nail or the cuticle area, and I'm just dragging it down, just randomly dragging it down so that it looks like it's faded down the nail. I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I go ahead and apply the Galaxy Chrome powder to the top coat that I had applied, and it just comes out as an ombre or a faded effect, and it is amazing. And so because I couldn't get enough of the Galaxy Chrome powder, I went ahead and applied some non-wipe top coat to my little nail, and I just applied this to the entire nail after I'd cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Like I said, just couldn't get enough of it, loved it to bits. And now over the Galaxy Chrome powder on this nail, because I didn't want to damage my matte effect, I went over it with my fine detail brush with my non-wipe top coat. So now I'm just going over those nails with some of my UV gel top coat from Miss You Beauty, and I cure them in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. I actually just went over the matte gel, the matte effect on that nail because I quite liked the shiny effect in the end. So yeah, so I just cure these for 60 seconds and I'm all done. So this is the effect. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Take care. Bye.